we're just going to talk about sanitizing a well on your property, on your ranch, or whatever. If you've got well water, you have to worry about E. coli and bacteria in the water. So simulates the well casing coming up out of the ground. There'll usually be a silver pipe that comes up, a vent pipe, and turns. And then usually on the well head somewhere, there's a place that you can unscrew a vent, if you will, vent hole, and you can actually see down into the casing. If that's the case at yours, sometimes what you can do is take a funnel, unscrew the cap, put the funnel in, just take some liquid bleach that you can buy at the grocery store, Walmart, or anything, and you can pour it down into the well. And what that will do is that will super sanitize where the well is picking up the water. If the well hasn't been used for a long time, or if you think you have a problem with E. coli or bacteria, some people will do that. Some people even do it as regular maintenance. They'll do it once a year or something like that. You have to be careful to how much bleach you put in, and then you want to run the water and exercise the well also to get chlorine into the house. The other thing you must do is, after you poured the Clorox down, you need to take a garden hose or whatever and rinse that where you poured the Clorox, put it down the same hole and run the water, garden hose or whatever, for quite a while, so that you get all the chlorine out of the casing and you basically dilute it as it's going on down. We have at our office bacterial test kits. We have a couple of different brands where you can come in, and if you think you're having trouble with your well, we can help you out and get you the test that you need. Also, the county also has test kits that you can take to the county also, just to make sure that you don't have any problems in your well. Thank you.